Stop by and take a look at the 2016 S60. Downright shameless with the affection it shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.